Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create or join a faction in Marvel Rival. All you have to do is launch the game on your Xbox or PS5 or PC and access this homepage. And then from here, select the tournament section. Now at this point, use the RB or rather RT on the LT button and go to the faction, or you can simply select it by using the cursor on your PC or on your console. Sorry about that. Now from here, you should see two options. You can view the factions or you can create a function. So all you have to do is, if you want to join one, simply select view functions. And then from here, you'll see all the available factions that are currently available. Now, let's say for instance, if you want to join this particular one, simply select it. And then you should see a brief description about what it's all about. And you can also select to view more if you want to view more, and you'll see all the players that are currently in that particular faction. Now, if you want to join, simply select apply to join. And then once the leader has accepted your request, then you can join that particular faction. Additionally, you can also choose to create your own faction. So all you have to do is simply press the Y button or simply select this option, create faction. And then from here, now you can choose to type, you have to fill this form rather that appears from here. So you can create a faction name, so you can type a name. So let me just type a random name. So select it, and then choose the abbreviation. And then now you can choose the primary language of that particular faction. So these are the only available languages. So you can choose English and all the other available language. So I'll just leave it at English. And then now you can choose the rank required for applications. So you can choose either people who are in bronze 3, in silver, in gold, platinum, diamond, grandmaster, or all the other available ranks that are currently available. So you can choose, let's say for instance, bronze 3. And also you can choose the admission rules. So you can choose either to select free to join or apply to join. Now, additionally, you can also choose the region. So let's say for instance, if you want your faction to be based in Asia, you can select Asia. If you want to base in Europe, select it, and all the other regions that are currently available. So for me, I'll just leave it at all regions. And now you can choose the platform preference. So at this point, since I'm on console, I cannot select PC. So if you try to select it, you'll see this option automatically selected based on the creator's platform and cannot be changed at this time. So if you are on PC, it will automatically select PC. And if you're on console, it will automatically choose console. Now from here, you can write the announcement. So you can type in any detail you'd like to type regarding that community or rather that faction. Now additionally, you can customize the emblem. So you can select customize and then choose the emblem you prefer. And then tap on select save, or you can simply randomize the emblem. So once you have made the changes and you'd like the changes, simply select create faction. And then if you have filled this state, all these things correctly, then you can now create that particular faction. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.